Here we'll stop a cough dead in its track. Two ingredients. There are so many different types of cough medicines that are in the market today that it can be exhausting trying to pick one. This is not to mention if you are trying to pick one while you're already sick, yet it powerful medication also comes powerful side effects. Today we will discuss an easy natural way to manage symptoms of the common cold. This natural medication consists of only two ingredients, ginger and thyme. There are no harmful chemicals added to it. Ginger also contains many essential nutrients that help to repair and recover your body quickly. Thyme is the other ingredient. The oil contained in thyme springs is full of medicinal qualities such as acting as an antibiotic or an antiseptic. This means that thyme helps to kill germs and infections within the body. Given the powerfulness of these two ingredients, it is not surprised that the mixture of them can rival any over-the-counter cough medicine. In order to make this recipe, you will need 5 sprigs of fresh organic thyme, 2 slices of fresh organic ginger in water. Simple place the sprigs of thyme and slices of ginger in a mug. Pour boiling water into the mug and allow to steep for approximately 10 minutes. If desired, strain prior to consuming. The same ginger and thyme can be used up to 3 additional times prior to being discarded. Let us know, have you tried any natural remedies for the common cold? Have you tried this tea? Give it a try and let us know in the comment section.